a free script and video with ChatGPT and Pictory. AI is a simple process. Here are the steps. Step 1. Start with the script. 1. Decide on the topic you want your video to cover. 2. Use ChatGPT to generate a script by inputting the topic and letting the AI generate the content. 2. You can use the GPT-3 Playground or an API integration for this. 3. Review the script to make sure it covers all the necessary information and makes sense. Step 2. Create the video. 1. Sign up for a free account on Pictory. 1. AI. 2. Choose a video template that matches the theme of your script. 3. Customize the template by adding your script, choosing a color scheme, adding images, and selecting background music. 4. Preview and finalize your video. Step 3. Export and share. 1. Once you are happy with your video, export it in the desired format. 2. Share your video on social media or any other platform of your choice. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a free script and video with ChatGPT and Pictory. AI.